Hello everyone, I'm Kat. Welcome to my channel. You have arrived. This is the makeup look that I'll be creating for today's video. It is a great makeup look that you could wear maybe for a night on the town with your lady friends for Galentine's Day, which is tonight, or a night on the town with your sweetheart for Valentine's Day. And if you do enjoy this video, be sure to hit that like button. And of course, if you're not already, don't forget to subscribe. So here I'm just prepping my face and my eyes and getting ready for the shadows. I picked up Soft and Sweet from the Berries and Cream palette first and worked it really sloppily into my crease. Then a little more defined, I used Toasted, and then extra defined with a pencil brush, and then into my outer third, I worked Chocolate Mousse. Quick little blend out, and then for the lid shade, I used Sugar Cookie. I love this color. I sometimes will even use this shadow as a highlight. It is just so gorgeous. We're going to go ahead and match up those eyes and then move down to the lower lash line. Here I'm going to add the colors the same way as the top, so Soft and Sweet, and then Toasted, and then a little more defined there in the outer third, some Chocolate Mousse. Give it a quick blend so it's not too harsh. After getting my lashes, liner, and mascara on, I like to hit my lower waterline with a nude or white pencil just to kind of give my eyes a little more pop so they look bigger and brighter. Here I'm going to go through covering up all my blemishes. So I'm going to get the concealer on. I don't really like using foundation, so I just use my concealer, and then of course I'll set it. And after that, I'm going to be moving on to my bronzer and blush. After setting my face, I love to add my highlight. So with a brush, I'm going to place it on my brow bone and the inner corner. Then with the pad of my finger, I'm going to apply it to the bridge of my nose, the tip of my nose, of course, the cheekbones, and do not forget sexy, sexy time, the Cupid's bow. For my lip color, I chose a really bold red lip. It's a liquid lipstick from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Crawling up to the curls. They are pretty poppin', so I'm not going to do crazy much to refresh them, but I am going to wake them up. And I did represent with my satin scrunchie today for Galentine's and Valentine's. I'm using two products to refresh. One's from Rizzo's Curls and the other from That's That Magic. I'm starting with the leave-in and detangler. I just spritz it on my hands, add a little bit of water, and then use prayer hands to smooth it across my curls to get rid of some frizz and just kind of wake up and bring back a little more life to my curls. Once I'm satisfied with that, I reach for the body and hair oil. This is my favorite body and hair oil. I have so many uses for it, but one that I really love is separating my curls. If I kind of mess up on a curl, I just, as you can see, finger coil and it bounces right back. Quick little scrunch, and then a quick little scalp massage and fluff with my scalp massager from Curly Locks Box. So this is it, everyone. That is the last step. Once this is all done, it is complete. So I hope that all of my makeup lovers and my curl friends, I hope that you guys will come back next week and join me for another video. And if you're going out for Galentine's or Valentine's tomorrow, that you guys have a wonderful, safe, and happy and loving time. Thanks again for watching, and take care.